Astronomy is the science that studies everything beyond Earth's atmosphere. This includes the sun, the moon, and all the planets in our solar system. It also looks at stars, which are giant balls of hot gas very far away. Astronomers study galaxies, which are huge collections of stars, gas, and dust. They even explore the entire universe, its history, and its future. It is a quest to understand our place in the vast cosmic ocean. We use science to learn about these celestial objects. This helps us piece together the story of the cosmos. The roots of astronomy stretch back thousands of years to ancient civilizations. Early people looked up at the night sky with wonder. They noticed patterns in the stars and the movements of the planets. For them, the sky was a clock and a calendar. It helped them predict seasons for planting crops. It guided sailors across vast, uncharted oceans. These early observations were the first steps in our long journey to understand the universe. They meticulously recorded what they saw, laying a crucial foundation for future generations. These ancient observations were incredibly important. While they didn't have telescopes like we do today, their careful records were vital. Think of Stonehenge in England or the pyramids in Egypt. Many ancient structures were built to align with celestial events like solstices or equinoxes. This shows how deeply connected early humans were to the cosmos. Their understanding of the sky was practical, spiritual, and deeply ingrained in their cultures. Their work, done without modern tools, highlights the power of human curiosity and observation. Over centuries, this simple act of skywatching evolved. What began as practical observation for survival slowly transformed into a more systematic study. Thinkers and scholars started to ask deeper questions. They weren't just asking when, but also why and how. The invention of the telescope in the early 17th century was a game changer. It allowed us to see details never before imagined. This marked a significant shift, turning astronomy into a true scientific discipline driven by evidence and rigorous investigation. Modern astronomy has two main branches that work hand in hand. The first is observational astronomy. This is all about gathering data from the universe. Astronomers use powerful telescopes to collect light and other forms of radiation from distant objects. They carefully measure brightness, colors, and positions of stars and galaxies. This data is the raw material for understanding the cosmos. It's like being a cosmic detective, searching for clues hidden in the light from far away. Observational astronomers spend many nights at telescopes or analyze data from space probes. The tools of observational astronomy are truly amazing. We have giant telescopes on mountaintops, far from city lights. These optical telescopes collect visible light, the same kind our eyes see. But the universe also shines in light we can't see, like radio waves, X-rays, and infrared light. So we build special telescopes for these too, like radio telescope arrays that span continents. We even send telescopes into space, like the Hubble Space Telescope or the James Webb Space Telescope. This gets them above Earth's blurry atmosphere, giving us crystal-clear views. The second main branch is theoretical astronomy. While observers collect data, theorists try to explain it. They use the laws of physics and mathematics to create models of how the universe works. For example, a theorist might develop a computer simulation to show how a star is born or how galaxies collide. They might try to understand the Big Bang, the event that started our universe. Their goal is to build a coherent picture that explains all the observations we make. It's about creating the framework for our cosmic knowledge. Observational and theoretical astronomy are not separate, they are deeply connected. Observations can reveal new phenomena that theories don't yet explain. This challenges theorists to come up with new ideas or refine existing ones. Conversely, theories can make predictions about what we should see in the universe. This inspires observers to design new experiments or look for specific signals. This constant back and forth, this cosmic dialogue between data and ideas, is what drives astronomy forward, helping us unravel the universe's secrets one step at a time. Within these broad branches, astronomy has many specialized subdisciplines. One major field is astrophysics. This is where physics meets astronomy head-on. Astrophysicists apply the laws of physics like gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear physics to understand celestial objects and phenomena. They study the life cycle of stars, from their birth in dusty nebulae to their dramatic deaths as supernovae or black holes. They investigate the structure of galaxies and how supermassive black holes at their centers influence their evolution. It's about understanding the how and why of cosmic events. Another fascinating subdiscipline is cosmology. Cosmology is the study of the universe as a whole. It tackles the biggest questions of all. Where did the universe come from? How has it changed over billions of years? What is its ultimate fate? Cosmologists study the Big Bang theory, which describes the universe's explosive birth. They investigate the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of that event. They map the large-scale structure of the universe, how galaxies are clustered together in vast filaments and voids. It's truly the grandest scale of study. Current research in astronomy is incredibly exciting. One hot area is the search for exoplanets, planets orbiting stars other than our sun. Thousands have been discovered in recent years. Scientists are now trying to characterize these distant worlds. They want to know their size, their mass, and even what their atmospheres are made of. The ultimate goal? To find planets that might be habitable or even harbor life. Imagine the implications of finding life beyond Earth. It would revolutionize our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Other big mysteries keep astronomers busy. For example, we know that most of the matter in the universe is invisible dark matter. We can't see it, but we can detect its gravitational pull on stars and galaxies. We also know the universe's expansion is speeding up, driven by something called dark energy. What these mysterious components are remains unknown. Astronomers are also now using gravitational waves, ripples in space-time itself, to study extreme events like black hole mergers. This new window on the universe promises many more discoveries. You might wonder if studying distant stars has any practical use here on Earth. The answer is a resounding yes. Many technologies we use every day have roots in astronomical research. Take the Global Positioning System, or GPS. It relies on incredibly precise timing signals from satellites. The principles behind this timing, and understanding how signals travel through space and Earth's atmosphere, are deeply connected to astronomical calculations and the theory of relativity, which is crucial for understanding gravity's effects on time. The impact doesn't stop there. The sophisticated image processing techniques developed to sharpen pictures from telescopes have found their way into medical imaging. Techniques used to analyze faint light from distant galaxies are now helping doctors detect tumors or other medical conditions earlier and more accurately. The charge-coupled devices, CCDs, that revolutionized astronomical imaging are now in your smartphone camera. Even Wi-Fi technology has connections to radio astronomy research done in Australia. Astronomy pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Beyond specific technologies, astronomy has a broader impact. It inspires young people to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, the STEM fields. The challenges of building new telescopes or planning space missions drive innovation. It pushes us to develop new materials, new software, and new ways of thinking. The quest to understand the universe requires us to be creative and resourceful. This benefits society in countless ways, often in unexpected areas, fostering a culture of curiosity and problem-solving. Ultimately, studying astronomy is profoundly inspiring. It connects us to something much larger than ourselves and our everyday concerns. When you look up at the night sky, you are seeing light that has traveled for years, even millions of years, to reach your eyes. Astronomy helps us understand our origins, that the atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars. It teaches us about the vastness of space and time. It fuels our curiosity and reminds us that there is always more to explore, more to learn about this amazing universe we inhabit.